In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by opening one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, click on the icon of it at the top. Then click on Open in Pop-up View in the pop-up. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. If you wish to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it as well. You can also click on this line to adjust all of those options. For example, if you wish to use this window in full screen view right away, click on this icon. To close it though, click on the X one right next to it. You can also close your window by swiping it in the background or by turning it into a bubble. And dragging your bubble to remove area at the bottom. You can do that with your window as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!